Hey guys, welcome to HardReset.Info channel. Today I want to show you how see available random access memory on your Oppo A40. Starts off opening settings application. In it we must turn on our develop mode in first step. To do that, tap on about device and there we must find our version. Where we have our version number, we must tap some time on it, and when we are in develop mode, we can go back and choose our additional settings, where we have new option, developer option, and there we have first memory, and now we can read that we have free 388 megabytes of our available random access memory. That's all. Thanks for watching. Bye.